Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest collection of Louis Vuitton. So all you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website in your seats. Guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us discuss the new collection of LV. First, let us discuss the Capucines collection. First, we have this very gorgeous Capucines mini. So if I would be having a Capucines, this would be it. So material is in satin, embellished with crystals, and calfskin leather trim. That is what I love about this bag because the entirety of the bag is embellished in rhinestone, launching May 2025. Next on the Capucines collection, so we have the Capucines mini, another beautiful artwork. So we have the SKU here. For the price, kindly do stand by. So the material, guys, is a combination of canvas, ostrich leather, and ostrich leather trims. Wow. Then of course the colorway is navy and it comes with detachable strap. Are you seeing the gorgeous artwork on the bag? So I think the body is made of canvas, and of course it comes with ostrich trims. Then for something classic, we have the Capucines BB. So this one, for the price, kindly do stand by, but please take a screenshot of the SKU. Material is Tyrolean leather with calfskin leather. Colorway is noir or black. Of course it comes with detachable decorative chain strap, as we could see here, and I believe the chain strap you could use different ways, maybe as a bracelet or even as a necklace. Then of course we have another Capucines mini. So now we do have the price of 6,900 USD. Material is Tyrolean leather with calfskin leather trim. Colorway is banana. Then of course it would come with the detachable decorative chain strap, as we can see here. So this is the back part of the Capucines. Another beautiful Capucines, we have the Capucines, this time size MM. Price is 8,150 USD. So the colorway of this one is noisette. So it's a material Tyrolean leather with calfskin leather trim. Then of course, as you can see, it comes with the detachable decorative chain strap. This is the interior, made of course all leather lined, and of course it comes with detachable strap. And of course, love the colorway, very neutral, you could wear it anywhere. Then gorgeous colorway, which is the light bliss Capucines mini, price at 6,900 USD. So we have the SKU here as well, same material. I love of course the Tyrolean leather. It comes of course with calfskin leather trims. It is leather lined as well. So aside from the decorative chain strap, of course it would come with a strap that is fully detachable, so you could wear this one as a crossbody bag. Then if we want another different version, perhaps you could try the Capucines mini east-west style. So we have the SKU here, 29443. Material Tyrolean leather with calfskin leather trim. Colorway is black. Then of course, it would still come with the decorative detachable chain strap. So another Capucines on the new collection. We have another mini east-west configuration. Price at 8,500 USD. We have the SKU here. So this time, guys, the material is in tweed, embellished with sequins. And of course, it would come with lambskin leather trims. It would come with detachable chain strap as well. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next let us discuss new design bags. So first we have this very beautiful Neverfull BB. So the main material is in wicker, and of course guys, it comes with the karung leather trim. So that is a snakeskin, colorway is off-white. Then as you can see guys, so the interior actually can be fully detached. It would also come with detachable leather straps. So this is how it looks like if you're going to use the interior as a pouch. Next guys, so I have discussed this, but we have more photos as promised plus prices. So we have the LV Bagalo, price at 4,500 euro. So the main material is cowhide leather with cowhide leather trims. So this is a cabana shaped leather bag. It comes with detachable leather strap and detachable chain strap, as we could see here, and it comes with a bag tag as well. Very one of a kind and truly a rare piece. Another one would be the LV Ace bag, so 4,000 euros. So this is like a volleyball shaped bag, and as you can see, it comes with the elongated vachetta shoulder strap. So it comes of course with different materials. We have the classic monogram canvas, then we have cowhide leather trims in different colorways such as the pink, orange, blue, and red. Of course, it comes with gold tone hardware. Then how gorgeous and cute this LV match point, price at 950 euro. We have the SKU here. So materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So this is a ping pong or table tennis shaped coin pouch, so you could really open it, and then of course you could put stuff inside. So this is the close-up view, how cute the handle, and of course we have the tennis ball with the LV logo. Then of course we have the It Can or the soda can bag. So the price guys, please take note, at 2,000 euro. We have the SKU here. So materials monogram mirror canvas, of course it would come with cowhide leather trim. Soda can shaped bag, it comes with silver hardware, and of course detachable chain strap. So this one is like a patent leather, but of course it is made of coated canvas. Then guys, we have this very beautiful and cute passport cover. So each one are priced at 495 euro or 625 USD. It would come in different SKUs. So we have in New York, we have in Shanghai, we have Ibiza, we have LA, we have Paris, we have Saint Tropez. Then of course we have Tokyo. Apologies if I have mispronounced any of the cities. Then next we have of course couple of Vivienne. So we had the Vivienne snorkeling, perfect for display. So for the first one, price at 2,800 euro. Material is chair wood. We have cowhide leather trim, resin, plexiglass, and of course gold hardware. The colorway is blue, and please take note that this is made in Italy and of course launching this month. Next on the Vivienne collection, so we have this very cute Vivienne fashionista bag charm, definitely a yes for me. So price at 1,150 euro or 1,480 USD. So Vivienne bag charm, materials monogram canvas, cowhide leather, mink fur, LV signature snap hook. Then of course colorway is in pink. Then of course next we have the Vivienne crochet charm, price at 790 euro or 980 USD. We have the SKU here as well. So it is another bag charm, but the materials in of course crochet, like this would be fabric. Then of course it would come with the gold tone hardware, so you could wear this one on your bags. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did guys. So among the beautiful bag selection that I've shown you, which one is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and exciting tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon.